camera. You okay?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
I went to go pound. That was a bad idea.
Where'd you get hit? Oh, wow.
That was on a pre-existing wound already.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
No, no. You, you had an injury and you landed one of these on it. So was that, you got that tag?
Yeah.
Twice. 2-1.
I'm not going to be using this thing if I'm going to be making people bleed. So.
No, like I said, it was, go ahead, use it, you're fine. It was already on a pre-existing wound I had. So, I mean, it'll dry up. I'm a man.
I got a Band-Aid for you when we get back down.
Little words of wisdom. My father told me, bleed on your own time.
What's your take on that?
I'm going to have to get this thing looked at, and I'm probably not going to use it the rest of this game. I'm going to go get my M4.
And Josh is just a bullet magnet today, isn't he? Watch your step. Evil banana peels. Combat camera coming through. That would be Josh. Can't tell who's who anymore. And look at that. Cameron's dead. Shame, he was a really good guy. Hey, it's Sasquatch. Sasquatch with a gun. Can't see what he's shooting at. See crap with all the fog on my goggles. Hey, it's a zombie. A zombie with a gun. Look at that. How's it feel being dead, Josh?
It was wonderful.
Is it a relief? I don't bloody know that now, do I? Hey, I'm just here as a reporter. I don't give away anyone's position. Hey, I just report this stuff. Well, that's one way to make sure you're dead, isn't it? Someone there, I can't tell. Oh, there he is. You alright there, Dan? Hey, you're the one that put yourself in this position, eh?
That's how I play this game mode. Have to suffer as much as possible.
Yeah, I think I'm going to stick to being the combat cameraman. It's actually kind of fun. Oh, your 6 is definitely exposed. Okay, that was random. Oh. Huh.
2 minutes! Looking like, if I don't broke him, that Marshall will just stay down there in the bushes forever.
He probably will. He's sneaky that way. Let's call out a demon in the middle of the woods. Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, I'm in a bad spot. How you feeling, Josh?
Go big or go home.
Well, I guess Dan is dead. Dead Dan.
Taken out by the mighty storm.
Vengeance! Hey, it's Dead Dan. Hey, Dead Dan, how you doing?
I'm doing dead. It's a very familiar state for me.
Ah,
I seriously need to get me some Velcro or something for my backyard.
maybe glue a patch on your head or something?
Yeah.
You've got blood all over your head.
Yeah, and you got some on your
Don't
arm.
say that because I might believe you because I've
Yeah.
had those incidences before.
Yeah, I got some blood in my arm. He shot me in like a pre-existing wound. It just poured, and I'm like, well, I'm bleeding now.
We may actually have band-aids if you want.
Band-aids are for pussies.
Band-aids are for people that don't like to get their wounds infected.
This is a war scar.
Josh, this is a war scar. That's waiting to get infected.
Well, I'll let it get infected and I'll cut my arm off. And I
Use Neosporin.
can tell everybody how I lost my
Be a
arm.
lazy person.
So, where do you live there, man?
I live about 5 minutes down the road that way. Behind-ish Warren East High School.
Oh, how did you die?
I wasn't listening. Did Marshall actually fire a shot or Cam just shooting kind of out of desperation?
Knowing Marshall, there's no telling where he is. I think it's a pretty smart move on Cam's part. I wouldn't be surprised if he's in the trees above him, knowing him. He's like a spider or something. And Cam's dead.